County, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Newcastle County in northern Delaware, western Salem County in southern New Jersey, till 6:45 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over there, or Newark, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles, possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Pennsville, Newcastle, Salem, Alloway, Canton, Delaware City, St. George's, Stanton, Bear, Hancock's Bridge, Port Penn, Wilmington Manor, Hope Creek, Glasgow and Brookside. This includes Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 3 and 10. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and Salem, New Jersey.